Today we're making peanut butter cookies. First we're gonna show you the ingredients. We need brown sugar, normal sugar, butter, peanut butter, 1 egg, baking powder, baking soda, 2 pinches of salt, and flour. Oh, and I also forgot, we need chocolate chips too. These are just an add-on, so if you don't want chocolate chips, you don't need to pour them. First we want to take our bowl over here and take your butter. Butter. And staple all this butter so you need the entire thing. Okay, now we put that plate aside for now. And next you need to mix the butter until it's fluffy. Next we're gonna put the sugar, both of the sugar. It's starting to become brighter, and that means that it's getting better. This is what it should look like. And now we need to add the peanut butter and the egg. Try to get off as much peanut butter from your bowl as you can. It'll get it to taste better. And now we're going to start mixing once more. Okay everyone, this is what it should look like. So after that, you don't need the mixer anymore. But you should take out these and like try to scrape out the excess which is in the other one and use it and keep going on and on until you can get as much off as you can. Okay, now we're gonna add the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. It is so good glue. Then you want to mix it all in for a few minutes or seconds. It should look like this, kinetic sand. And before you put your bowl of kinetic sand into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours, you're going to want to cover it with plastic wrap first. So we're just going to wait for 2 to 3 hours until it's done. Okay guys, it's been 3 hours. So now what you need is a tiny bowl. You're going to need your chocolate chips if you want to use them. You can just skip that part. And you'll need a bowl of sugar and a fork. Like if you dip the fork in sugar, like it won't stick to the dough. And of course, obviously you're going to need your bowl. Obviously. This small. If you want, you can do very big cookies if you want. I'm going to roll on. To these small. It took us a long time, but we finished with these. So we're just gonna put the chocolate chips in here. Put this over here for now. Because first, sugar. Here are the completed cookies. Not baked yet, not baked yet. Yeah, I will come back in 12 minutes. The cookies have come out. These are the ones from the tray. And I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you tried it, hopefully it's very good for your taste. And we're done. Whee!